Welcome to a crucial discussion that's on everyone's mind. Can AI truly replace programmers? As AI capabilities rapidly advance, it's natural to wonder about the future of traditional programming roles. This lesson isn't about fear-mongering. It's about providing an honest, practical perspective on what AI means for your career in technology. By understanding AI strengths and limitations, you can strategically adapt and even thrive in this evolving landscape. Our goal today is to equip you with the insights needed to navigate this shift confidently. Let's explore the future of programming together. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define AI's current capabilities in programming, identify areas where human programmers remain essential, explore the evolving role of programmers, and understand strategies for career adaptation. Let's dive in. Let's start by acknowledging what AI can already do in the programming world. Tools powered by large language models are becoming incredibly proficient at tasks that once required significant human effort. First, consider code generation and auto-completion. AI assistants can suggest entire lines or blocks of code, speeding up development and reducing boilerplate. They learn from vast repositories of code, making them excellent at repetitive or well-defined patterns. Next, AI is making strides in bug detection and automated fixing. It can analyze code for common vulnerabilities, identify logical errors, and even propose fixes, significantly cutting down debugging time. Finally, AI is adept at code refactoring and optimization. It can suggest improvements for efficiency, readability, and adherence to best practices, helping maintain high code quality across large projects. These capabilities highlight AI as a powerful assistant, not a direct replacement for many day-to-day coding tasks. Despite AI's impressive capabilities, there are fundamental areas where human programmers remain irreplaceable. Think about complex problem solving and abstraction. AI excels at pattern recognition, but struggles with truly novel problems that require abstract thinking, creative solutions, or understanding nuanced, ambiguous requirements. Then there's strategic system design and architecture. Building robust, scalable, and maintainable systems requires foresight, an understanding of business context, and the ability to make trade-offs that AI currently cannot grasp. Crucially, human programmers are essential for understanding user needs and empathy. Software is built for people, and only humans can truly empathize with users, interpret their unstated desires, and design intuitive experiences. Lastly, ethical considerations and bias mitigation are purely human domains. AI models can inherit biases from their training data, and it takes human judgment to identify, address, and prevent these ethical pitfalls. These are not just technical skills, but uniquely human attributes. So, if AI isn't replacing programmers, how is the role evolving? We're seeing a shift towards programmers becoming AI tooling and integration specialists. Instead of writing every line of code, you'll orchestrate AI tools, integrating them seamlessly into larger systems to enhance productivity. Another emerging skill is prompt engineering and model fine-tuning. Understanding how to effectively communicate with AI, craft precise prompts, and fine-tune models for specific tasks will be a highly valued expertise. Programmers will also take on greater responsibility in ethical AI development and governance. Ensuring AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable will become a core part of the development lifecycle. Ultimately, the focus will shift to human-centric system design. Programmers will leverage AI to offload repetitive tasks, freeing themselves to concentrate on creativity, innovation, and designing systems that truly serve human needs. Your value will come from your ability to direct and shape AI, not just write code. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap our key takeaways. First, we established that AI complements, not replaces, human programmers. It's a powerful tool, not a substitute for human ingenuity. Next, we identified that uniquely human skills in creativity, strategic thinking, and ethics are paramount and will remain essential for the foreseeable future. Finally, we explored how programmers' roles will evolve, shifting towards becoming AI architects, integrators, and ethical guardians. The future of programming is not about being replaced, but about augmentation and adaptation. AI is here to stay, and understanding its place allows us to build better systems and foster innovation. Now, for a quick self-assessment, how can you adapt your skills to thrive in an AI-augmented programming landscape? Think about specific steps you can take starting today. Thank you.